Hey, it's Matt from the Ghost Script. Today we're making bang bang chicken.
First, we need to make the sauce. Alright, now we're going to cut the chicken into 1-inch pieces. I'm going to be using this knife that Nakano just sent me. Click on the link in the description and use the code GHOSTSCRIPT and you can get a discount on one of these knives. Now we're going to make the batter. If you're like me and you don't eat meat, then you can use cauliflower instead of chicken.